on YouTube. Today is going to be a little bit of a shorter video as promised. I'm going to be showing you how to download a specific font that you want that is outside of the Cricut design space realm and installing it or using it, being able to use it in your Cricut design space. And okay, so we have a blank untitled canvas on our Cricut design space, and the first thing I want to do to get this new font is to go to a website by the name of Creative Fabrica, and that's creativefabrica.com, and it's a very good resource for different design elements. You've got fonts, graphics, all kinds of fonts here. You could download script fonts, display fonts, sans serif fonts, black letter fonts. I mean, the list goes on. They also have graphics, you know, if you want your 3D SVG files, home crafts, coloring books for adults, all kinds of stuff, illustrations, backgrounds, crafts, needlework. They also have classes along with bundles that you could download, and I have unlimited downloads. It's a good idea to actually subscribe to this service, pay a one-time fee for the whole year of $59, and you can get unlimited stuff, unlimited ideas. If you run short of ideas for your t-shirt designs or your mugs, or let's look for a font called College Grunge. Just click on this one right here on the bottom here that says College Grunge, and when you click on that, it gives you previews of what it's going to look like, all the letters of the alphabet. This is in all caps, and it gives you an example here of some glyphs. Alright, so you want to go down here, up here, and click on the download button. Once you click on that, it downloads a zip file, and I'm going to click on that zip file to open it up. Usually fonts come in two types, the TTF or the OTF. The TTF is considered the true type font. The TTF file format doesn't include any advanced typographic features like ligatures or alternate characters. They tend to be slightly larger in terms of file size than OTFs, but they're still generally small enough to use on the web. TTF files are widely used today because it tends to be simpler for the average computer user. But if you're a graphic designer and you want more flexibility, you want to go with the OTF, which stands for Open Type Fonts. They're vector-based font formats that offer a range of typesetting features like ligatures and stylistic alternatives. They're usually small in size and ideal for use on web because of their compression capabilities. Like I said before, you have the OTF and the TTF, and you want to go ahead and select the OTF by double-clicking on it. You have a pop-up here, okay? And this is to install this font in your system. So you have the option of install font, and it tells you here that it's not installed. So what you want to go ahead and do is click on install font. All right, and it saves the College Grunge under a user. I'm going to go ahead and X out of this and that, and go ahead and pick your text, and it should pop up with a text box with the last font that you used in the system. And if I highlight that and click on my drop down menu for fonts, I go to, it defaults to Cricut. You click on your tabs for system, and let's type in the College Grunge. Okay, as you can see, it's not yet in the system, so what you have to do now to get this in your Cricut system to be able to use this font is to log out or get out of Cricut and go back in. All right, so we're going to go down here and hit quit. Are you sure you want to quit? Yes. So I'm gonna go back and open up my Cricut. Okay, now once Cricut design space opens up, we can go here and click on the new project, and just to get another blank canvas. Okay, now let's go ahead and select text again and click on the font drop down menu. Go over to your system tab and now type in College Grunge, if I know how to spell. And here it is, Grunge College. You select that. If you want to go ahead and bookmark it so it'll be saved under your bookmark tab, you click on this icon right here, and there you have it. Here's your College Grunge text. So it's kind of like a faded look. You can see what that looks like. Go ahead and type in test. Okay, new font. All right, you know, for those of you who want to make that grungy look, and here you go. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want more videos of this kind, let me know in the comment section. And as always, hit your bell notification once you hit the subscribe button so you can get notified when I release new videos, which I do once or twice a week. All right, make it a productive day, guys. Have a good one.